What are the steps involved in withdrawing my Apple ID balance?
Hello there. If you've ever wondered how to withdraw your Apple ID balance, then you're in the right place. This simple guide will take you through the process step by step, making it as easy as possible.
What is an Apple ID balance?
Your Apple ID balance includes the credit from gift cards or added money that you use for purchases in the App Store, iTunes Store, or Apple Books, or for subscriptions like Apple Music. You can't withdraw your Apple ID balance as cash, but you can use it to purchase different items or services across Apple's digital stores.
How do I use my Apple ID balance?
Your Apple ID balance automatically gets used before other payment methods. This means, when you make a purchase, the cost gets deducted from your Apple ID balance. If you don't have enough balance to cover the whole cost, the remaining amount gets charged to your other payment methods. Here's how to use your balance. 1. Open the App Store on your Apple device. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't already. 3. Now you can choose any app, game, movie, or book you want to purchase. 4. Your balance will automatically be used as the payment method.
How do I check my Apple ID balance?
It's easy to check your Apple ID balance. Just follow these steps. 1. Open the App Store on your Apple device. 2. Tap on your profile at the top of the screen. 3. Your Apple ID balance will be displayed right there. While you can't directly withdraw your Apple ID balance, you can easily use it for a wide variety of digital products and services that Apple offers. Check your balance regularly to make sure you're getting the most out of your Apple ID. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to manage your Apple ID balance. Until next time, happy shopping in the App Store.